welcome to a very sunburnt ChunnTV. No, your screen settings are not wrong. I'm bright red right now because I burned the crap out of myself yesterday. And we're here with a gift from the man Roy Graham, Burning Wolf Wartryx Tincture, which was actually made by Roy Graham, the man himself. And so he was the one that provided me those powdered jigsaw peppers from Duke Island. That it was for a long time. It was one of the most hot things in my cabinet. And I'm curious to see where this is going to fall. And I'm excited too because I really like Wartryx peppers. They have a really cool fruity flavor, and they're one of the that's an unpopular opinion maybe, but there aren't that many super hot peppers that actually taste very good. But the Wartryx is one of them. It's really interesting flavor, very fruity. And this is, look at that angry wolf on the label. It's just terrifying to look at. This looks, if you got this in the mail unexpectedly, you'd think somebody was trying to send a bioweapon after you. But we know Roy's cool. And this should be exciting because this is actually my first tincture experience. I've never had a tincture before. So I'm interested to see what that flavor is like. Do you have to shake tincture? I'm going to shake it anyway. But yeah, I don't know how much you're supposed to have. I know that the macho guys like Johnny Scoville and Nelson Chaney and them do big old dropperfuls. I'll go like that. I think I may even come to regret that. Whoa, what a strange aroma. It's a pronounced alcohol smell, I mean, obviously, but it really does smell like a Wartryx, like almost like more intensely than the pod itself. That's interesting. It smells hot. But it has that distinct, like, slight fruitiness and slight chittinsy aroma of the Wartryx pepper. Wow, that's really cool. I could just sit there and talk about that for 7 minutes, but, you know, it's time to get on with it. But it's super fascinating. Like, usually with sauces and stuff, like, you get the pepper, but it's not as pronounced as when you stick your nose in a pod. And this is, like, sticking your nose in a pod on steroids. Like, it's super intense. Well... Cheers, Roy, and thanks again, dude. Like, I appreciate you, watching for so long, but also, you send the coolest stuff, and it really means a lot, man. I appreciate it, and so hopefully I can do justice to your generosity with my the depth of my suffering in a second. Cheers, YouTube. I'm scared. Whoa. Holy mother. Woo. Oh, it's a crazy sensation because the alcohol burns and then the pepper burns, and it's hard to tell which is which at first. Whoa. Oh man, that is hot. That is really hot. It's an interesting flavor. It does taste like Wartryx. It also tastes like very alcoholic, because it is alcohol. Oh, my ears are ringing already. It's amazing how fast it comes on. It really hits you quick. And, it's hard to tell because I'm already red and sweaty, but I'm even more red and sweaty now. The back of my throat is just destroyed. Oh my God. Ah. Shout out to Big Swig. Chili mango sparkling water, dude. If you can get your hands on this, it's absolutely delicious. Ah, my ears. Whoa. Yeah, this is really hot. Yeah. So, hit up the man, Roy. Tell him you want some of this tincture. Ooh. It's such a weird burn. Bear with me just a second. All the mucus is being ejected from my body. 1 second. Dude, holy crap. Yeah, Roy, wow. What did you do? Flavor feels interesting. Profound, intense essence of Wartryx, and then alcohol. The burn is like immediate and vicious. It's like an all-consuming. Well, it's so intense, like viciously hot. Oh wow! And it doesn't let up, and it keeps getting hotter and hotter. Ugh. Yeah, hit up Roy if you want an insane, like, terrifying Willy Wonka evil side chili pepper experience. I'm just wrecked. Y'all that do extracts or tinctures, what do you do with them? Mixed drinks, I can see. I can see that. That's like, what else do you do with it? Buddy. Oh, yeah. Thanks again, Roy. This was a profound experience, and a form of chili enlightenment was achieved, I think. Yeah. You can't buy this, as far as I know, but Roy hangs around. Ask him. Maybe he'll hurt you too. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is a pretty visceral ChunnTV. Oh, that's some cool stuff coming up. 200th episode is right around the corner, and we'll be doing like a hot one style chicken wing eating. I've got a lineup of sauces that have all been on hot ones through the years. I think it's gonna be fun. I'm still trying to figure out a couple of them, but I'm gonna be answering questions. And so if you have a question that is burning inside you that you would like to ask, text it to 971 ChunnTV, or leave in the comments here. Pick 10, answer them. Most interesting question, we'll get some free stuff as well. That's gonna be cool. So click subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell. You'll be notified when those things come to pass, and then the future things will happen also, and you'll be notified of those. But yeah, in the event that I survive, we'll do those videos. Yeah, so thanks again, Roy. Thanks again, Roy. I appreciate you sending it, man. This was a crazy experience. Oh my god. And I'll catch you next time on ChunnTV. Wow.